Are you tired of packing mishaps ruining your trips? Do you often find yourself missing essential items while on the road? Well, worry no more. In this video, we're diving into the world of travel essentials. Those must-have products that can make your journeys easier, smoother, and more enjoyable than ever before. From innovative gadgets to versatile accessories, we've got you covered with everything you need to know to make your next adventure a breeze. And stay tuned, because in the last part of this video, we'll be sharing valuable tips to ensure you make the most out of these essential travel products. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the essential travel products that can transform the way you travel. Here are 10 essential items you should never travel without. Number 10. Travel Adapter. Experience seamless connectivity with a universal travel adapter, your key to staying charged and connected worldwide. Think of it as your reliable companion, effortlessly fitting into any outlet, whether you're exploring Tokyo's bustling streets or lounging on a secluded Caribbean beach. Say goodbye to the frustration of incompatible plugs and hello to hassle-free charging for all your devices. From smartphones to laptops, cameras to hair straighteners, this compact essential ensures you're always powered up to capture every moment of your journey in vivid detail. Simply toss it into your travel bag and set off with confidence, knowing your devices will be ready wherever you roam. With a universal travel adapter by your side, the world becomes your playground, and every outlet becomes an opportunity to stay linked to the world, making your travel smoother and more enjoyable. Number 9. Travel Documents Organizer. Set off on your adventure stress-free with a Travel Documents Organizer, your secret weapon for keeping your journey smooth and seamless. Imagine it as your personal command center, neatly housing all your vital travel papers, from passports and boarding passes to hotel reservations and insurance details in one convenient, easy-to-access package. No more frantic searches at airport checkpoints or hotel receptions. With everything neatly organized and at your fingertips, you'll breeze through your travels with confidence and ease. Plus, with stylish designs and handy features like zippered pockets and RFID protection, these organizers aren't just practical, they're downright chic. So, whether you're jet-setting across the globe or embarking on a weekend getaway, make sure you have your trusty travel documents organizer by your side. After all, when it comes to travel, staying organized is the key to unlocking unforgettable experiences and making memories that last a lifetime. Number 8. MultiPurpose Scarf or Sarong. Wrap yourself in endless possibilities with a multi-purpose scarf or sarong, the ultimate travel companion that's as versatile as it is stylish. Picture it, a single piece of fabric that effortlessly transforms from a cozy blanket on chilly flights to a fashionable cover-up at the beach. Need a towel for a spontaneous dip in the ocean? Your trusty scarf has you covered. Seeking a touch of modesty while exploring cultural landmarks? Simply drape it over your shoulders for instant elegance. And in a pinch, it can even moonlight as a makeshift bag to carry your essentials. With its endless versatility and chic designs, a multi-purpose scarf or sarong isn't just an accessory. It's a travel essential that adds flair to every adventure. So, pack light and pack smart with this must-have item that promises to elevate your travel experience to new heights. Number 7. Travel-sized toiletries. Transform your travel routine with the magic of mini toiletries. Your passport to convenience and efficiency on the go. Picture it, a perfectly curated collection of pint-sized potions, ready to whisk you away on your next adventure without weighing you down. From compact shampoo and conditioner duos to pocket-sized body washes and toothpaste tubes, these tiny treasures are the secret to maximizing luggage space without sacrificing your daily essentials. And if you're feeling eco-conscious, Why not opt for reusable travel containers? Simply fill them with your favorite products and off you go, knowing you're doing your part to reduce waste while still looking and feeling your best. So, whether you're jet setting across the globe or embarking on a weekend getaway, make room in your travel bag for travel-sized toiletries and let the journey begin hassle-free and with a touch of luxury. Number 6. Snacks. Elevate your travel game with the ultimate snack strategy, ensuring hunger never stands in the way of your adventure. Picture it, a treasure trove of tantalizing treats carefully selected to fuel your journey and tantalize your taste buds. Say goodbye to overpriced airport snacks and lackluster train station fare, and hello to your favorite flavors packed and ready to go. From crunchy granola bars to savory nuts, sweet dried fruits to satisfying crackers, your snack arsenal will be as diverse as your destination list. And with non-perishable options at the helm, you can rest assured your goodies will stay fresh and delicious no matter how far you roam. So, before you embark on your next expedition, stock up on snacks and savor every moment of your travels with a satisfied stomach and a satisfied soul. Though hitting the like button is a matter of favor and not doing so is your right, the editor works tirelessly day and night on this creation, and a little appreciation goes a long way. Thank you very much. Number 5. First Aid Kit. Gear up for your journey with a compact first aid kit, your ultimate ally in the face of unexpected mishaps. Picture it, a tiny powerhouse stashed in your backpack, ready to tackle any minor injury or ailment that dares to cross your path. Inside, you'll discover the essentials: adhesive bandages to mend those little cuts and scrapes, antiseptic wipes to fend off pesky germs, and pain relievers to ease those inevitable headaches or muscle aches. Don't overlook adding any necessary medications, ensuring you're always primed for whatever curveball life tosses your way. With your first aid kit snug by your side, you'll stride confidently through your travels, knowing you're armed to conquer any adventures, twists, and turns. So, pack smart, travel safe, and let your first aid kit be the steadfast companion that sees you through every step of the journey, ensuring you're ready for whatever lies ahead. Number 4. Portable Charger. Elevate your travel experience with the ultimate companion, a portable charger. This compact powerhouse ensures you stay connected and powered up, no matter where your wanderlust leads. Just imagine a sleek, lightweight device nestled in your backpack, ready to revive your phone, tablet, or camera with a quick charge whenever you need it most. Whether you're exploring vibrant cityscapes, embarking on epic outdoor adventures, or simply navigating through bustling airports, a portable charger ensures you're always powered and prepared. Say farewell to the anxiety of a dwindling battery and embrace the freedom to capture every moment, stay connected with loved ones, and navigate unfamiliar terrain with ease. So, slip a portable charger into your travel arsenal and embark on your next journey with confidence, knowing you have the power to fuel your adventures and keep your devices running smoothly from dawn till dusk. Number 3. Travel Pillow. Transform your travel experience with the ultimate comfort companion, a travel pillow. Picture this, nestled into your seat, cocooned in plush support, your neck cradled in blissful comfort as you drift into relaxation mode. Say goodbye to stiff necks and restless journeys. With a supportive travel pillow, you're on your way to smoother travels and sweeter dreams. Whether you're soaring through the skies or cruising down the open road, this essential accessory ensures you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. So, pack your travel pillow, sink into its soft embrace, and embark on your next adventure in comfort and style. After all, with the right pillow by your side, the journey becomes just as enjoyable as the destination. Number 2. Noise-canceling headphones. Immerse yourself in a world of tranquility amidst the chaos of travel with noise-canceling headphones. Picture this. You slip them on, and suddenly, the hustle and bustle of the airport fade away, replaced by a serene sanctuary of peace. Whether you're soaring through the clouds or navigating busy city streets, these sleek wonders work their magic, banishing unwanted noise and creating a haven of quietude. But wait, there's more. Not only do they silence the outside world, but they also elevate your entertainment experience to new heights. Dive into your favorite tunes or binge-watch movies with crystal clear sound, free from distractions. So, pack your noise-canceling headphones and prepare to embark on a journey where serenity meets sensational sound. With these trusty companions by your side, every moment becomes an opportunity to escape, unwind, and indulge in the ultimate audio oasis. Number 1. Reusable water bottle. Quench your thirst for adventure while staying eco-friendly with a reusable water bottle by your side. Picture this. You're exploring vibrant marketplaces, hiking through lush landscapes, or soaking up the sun on sandy shores. With your trusty bottle in hand, you're not just hydrating, you're making a statement, a commitment to sustainability that echoes through every refill. Say goodbye to single-use plastics and hello to a greener way of traveling. Plus, with the convenience of refilling on the go, you'll never be caught thirsty again. Whether you're trekking through bustling cities or remote wilderness, your reusable bottle ensures you stay refreshed and ready for whatever the journey throws your way. So, sip, savor, and hydrate guilt-free, knowing you're not just quenching your thirst, but also doing your part to protect the planet, one refill at a time. By packing these 10 must-have travel products, travelers can address a variety of challenges and enjoy a more comfortable, organized, and pleasant travel experience. Still watching? Well, here's a valuable tip for you. Remember, prioritize experiences over possessions. While it's tempting to splurge on souvenirs and material items, the memories and experiences you gain from your travels are far more valuable and long-lasting. Instead of focusing on accumulating things, invest in activities, adventures, and cultural exchanges that will enrich your journey and leave a lasting impact. Whether it's learning to cook traditional dishes, embarking on a thrilling hike, or engaging with locals to learn about their way of life, these experiences will stay with you long after you return home. So, allocate your resources wisely and prioritize the experiences that will truly enhance your travel experience and broaden your horizons. Though hitting the like button is a matter of favor and not doing so is your right, the editor works tirelessly day and night on this creation, and a little appreciation goes a long way. Thank you very much for joining me on this adventure. If you've enjoyed this exploration, be sure to check out another exciting video in our collection. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a hiking aficionado, or simply seeking a virtual escape, there's always more to explore together. Your support fuels the exploration, and I look forward to sharing many more incredible moments with you. Which product are you most excited to have? Or do you have a favorite travel essential that wasn't mentioned? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tour called Never Travel Without These 10 Products, be sure to subscribe to Travel Owl for more travel inspiration, tips, and adventures from around the globe. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and embrace the beauty of our world.